Hello everyone and welcome back to a powerful problem solving session that covers all what we've learned from printing to variables. Let's go! So today we have a whole exercise to do. In this exercise, basic student data program, we have 4 tasks. First of all, printing, then something related to variables, then calculating and storing, and finally printing the results. So let's start by the first question. Print a welcome message, okay? So let's establish a class, lesson 5, okay?
2,000 years later.
To print something on the screen, just use system.out.println. For example, hi, this is a welcoming message. Okay. And now let's move to the next question. Declare and initialize the following variables. String student name. Okay, so a variable of type string, let's name it student name equal between 2 quotations, for example, John. The next variable, okay, his grade, so character, let's name it grade equal between 1 quotation, let's say he got A. So the third variable is his age, so integer age equal 19, for example. And the fourth and the fifth variables are his score 1 and his score 2. Okay, so double score 1, and since it's double, it should be a decimal number. For example, he got 85.5 in his first score. The second score is double score 2, for example, 79.2. Okay, let's move to the final variable, which is boolean is passed. Okay, so boolean is passed. Okay, let's initialize it by true. Okay, so the third task is to calculate and store what? The total of the two scores. Okay, so we need a variable total of type double, okay, equal the total score 1 plus score 2, right? Then the average of the two scores. Okay, so also we need a variable average of type double equal between parentheses score 1 plus score 2, then go outside the parentheses and divide it by the number of the scores. Okay, so this is the way to calculate the average. And now we need the difference between the two scores. To get the difference, just subtract the second score from the first score. So we need a variable of type double, let's name it as diff equal score 1 minus score 2, right? And finally, we need the product of the two scores, as easy as it is. So double product, for example, equals score 1 times score 2. Okay. And now we need to print the variables and the results in clear messages. What I mean is to combine the message and the variable value. For example, I need to show on the screen this message. The total of the scores is something, okay? So what I should do, system.out.println, then between 2 quotations, my message, the total is, or of the scores is, put space, jump behind the quotations, put the addition mark, then our variable name, total. It will display the value of the score 1 plus score 2. Let's run the program. The total of the scores is 164.7, and so on for all of this. Okay, for example, another example, I want to display the average. So system.out.println, okay, between 2 quotations, the average is jump behind the quotations plus average. Okay, run the program. The average is 82.35. So this is for today. I hope you enjoy the lecture and be prepared for the next video.